Before gun season came in, I filmed a really nice buck. He's a 9-pointer. I had my crossbow while I was hunting this deer, and I was on the fence about shooting him that day. So I didn't really push it or pursue him extremely hard. But I enjoyed filming him, and I got some really cool footage of him. There was a hot doe in the area, and he was pushing her around along with some other bucks. Fast forward to opening day of gun season. The weather was miserable. It was raining, windy, cold, sleeting. It was all of that. I decided to leave the camera gear in the truck. And as luck would have it, opening day of rifle season is the day I shot my buck. And it turns out it was the same 9-point that I had watched earlier that week.
I know a dead deer when I see one. Nice, dude. Damn, dude, that's a good deer.
Yeah, he's not bad, dude. When I walked up on him, I was like, hey, that 9-point wasn't so bad after all. How's that feel, Jacob?
How's it feel? Warm?